Do you remember that video I made back in February of 2023 about my rootstock suckers on my dwarf lemon tree? Now, I've got two fruit trees that are dwarf variety and they've been grown from rootstock, and I noticed that at the bottom of the stem, all of a sudden there were these shoots coming up and they got all bushy, and I thought, oh great, and then realized tree didn't look so good. So a quick Google told me that these were rootstock suckers. You can just make out here is where they actually grafted my lemon tree. So all of this at the bottom is rootstock, and every time you see a shoot like this below the graft line, you need to remove it. Well, just look at it now. Now it's 2 years later and it is covered in lemons. We've got some that look like they're ready to be picked, and then we've still got some green ones. So it's going to keep us going for a little while. So I have been keeping a pretty close eye on all my fruit trees, and every time one of those little rootstock suckers appeared, I have been breaking them off. And I must say it's worked a treat because I haven't had one in such a long time. Now, if you are new to grafted trees, you do need to keep an eye on them because those suckers can grow in fast. They are sneaky and they drain nutrients and energy from the actual tree itself. They grow really spiky and they can actually mess with the fruit quality. So you want to remove them. So for those of you that don't know, this is the graft line. It's getting a bit tricky to see as this tree is now roughly about 5 years old. But anything that grows below this graft line needs to come out. And they're quite easy to spot. They're obviously lower than the graft line, but they're also really thin and pretty soft that you can generally just snap them off with your hand. Now, if they have gone a bit woody and you've accidentally missed one, that's okay. Just get some sharp shears and snip them off. And now here we are, first proper harvest. It's taken a couple of years, but it's been so worth it. I've got plans for these lemons, maybe some lemon butter or a few zesty cakes. Let me know your favorite lemon recipes below in the comments. There we have our first little lemon harvest, and I am just so excited by some of these. I probably could have left this one a little longer. It's still a bit green, but that's okay. We'll find some uses for them. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's little update on our lemon tree, and if you've experienced rootstock suckers, let me know in the comments below, and then don't forget to share those recipes with me. See you guys on the next one.